Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So anyways, like I said, as you guys already know in the title by now, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is the Tory Burch Espadrilles. So anyways, let's just take this out of the box. Okay, so let's open this box. I like how the packaging of the Tory Burch is really like vibrant, and also like their paper bag. So anyways, let's see what's in here. I forgot what I ordered. I mean what I bought. Oh, okay, this is the color right. So I got the Espadrilles. Is that how you say Espadrilles? Espadrilles? I don't know, but this is the Tory Burch Espadrilles. Oh my goodness. So the reason why I bought this, because spring is coming. Spring and summer is actually coming, and it's getting a little bit warmer inside. I mean, not too warm, but just a little bit warmer, like 60s, something like that, 60, 61, something like that. But anyways, I decided to get the Tory Burch Espadrilles because the Chanel one is just way too expensive. But so anyways, I got this instead, and it's black and white. They actually do have the plain black and the colorful ones, like the printed ones. But I was trying the black one and this one, and I was like, I do have like already like a lot of black shoes, boots, and sandals. So I was thinking maybe I'll go for the white one, but you know, with a touch of black and like the logo of the Tory Burch. And then when I tried this on at the store, they were so comfortable, like really comfortable. I think it's really up to you if you want like the socks or not with the socks. I probably just wear it without the socks. But anyways, this is the Espadrilles look like in the side here, the front there. So it's really soft. I don't know about the description. Let me just go to the website real quick. Okay, so the name of this shoes is a color block leather espadrille, and I got the color ivory / black. And the details here, it says Napa leather upper, canvas lining, rubber sole. I think that's it. The essentification in a shoe. The color black Espadrille updates the bohemian classic in leather with a logo embroidered capital. So yeah, I think that's the details of the shoes. And I am size 7.5. I'm normally 7. It actually depends on the brand and what kind of shoes, because sometimes in my regular shoes like Vans I'm like 7, and then on my Nike I'm 7.5. So it's really, I feel like it depends on the brand and what kind of shoes. So I'm 7.5 here because I asked the 7, and then I tried them on. They're really tight, so I asked for 7.5. So this actually fits really good. So I think I'm planning to wear them around like summer and spring and summertime, and you know, like mom jeans, and put this on like a very casual day. So anyways, this is the other one, shoes. I mean the other shoes here. I think maybe on May I think I might, I'm not sure, but I think I might get the plain black ones. But yeah, this is like, it does really look like the Chanel one, but the Chanel one you can see like, you know, the double C, like the printed CC. But this one actually like looks like the Chanel one, just kind of, just a little bit, not, you know, like Chanel. But I believe this is 190 something, I'm not sure. Let me kind of like how they put the receipt. Let me just double check the price. This is, where is the price? Come on, price. Okay, so it's $198 plus the sales tax. I paid $11 and 88 cents. So overall it's $209 like 88 cents. So it's still a little bit expensive, but anyways, I really like and can't wait to wear this Espadrilles going, you know, spring and summertime. So So anyways, that's this shoes, you guys. I think I might just like take a picture of I'll just like put it in the screen here later on, of how I wear this. Like I see myself just wearing this like a regular mom jeans, or like if I'm wearing shorts, like a, you know, like a basic top. You can, you know, wear this with the espadrilles. But anyways, oh actually, here I forgot, it has like a Tory Burch, like a leather right here, like a square. It says Tory Burch. I like how, you know, like little details in it. Same with the other ones. But anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Like I said, I'm gonna update you about these shoes, like the wear and tear, maybe like, you know, soon, and I'll post a picture here on, you know, me wearing it, because I still have to film another video. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yes, I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.